Imagine teaching artificial intelligence to understand complex domains like healthcare or legal with unprecedented precision. Introducing RAFT, Retrieval-Augmented Fine-Tuning, a groundbreaking approach developed by researchers to enhance language models' domain adaptation. Utilizing Azure AI Studio, RAFT combines the benefits of retrieval-augmented generation and fine-tuning, transforming AI's ability to learn from domain-specific documents. By preparing a synthetic dataset and fine-tuning with it, RAFT ensures the model not only aligns with the domain's tone, but excels in extracting relevant information, akin to prepping for an open-book exam. This synergy between pre-study and real-time retrieval empowers AI to provide more accurate, contextually relevant responses, opening new horizons in bespoke AI applications for businesses. RAFT is not just an advancement in AI, it's a leap towards more intelligent, adaptable, and accessible technology for all.